अरे वाह, अनाजी अनाजी।
इसी प्रकार भगवान अपने पाप विक्षेपण बांग्लादेश विष्णु के आदि चारण क्रम के कारण जगत के महत्व में और फिर सत्य का बड़ी माड़ी युक्ति सत्य आक्रमण चरण चलने वाला है हमारी त्रिभुवन इस प्रकार।
So in this way, Sudha Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he explained so many meanings of one word. So and again he is saying, and listen one more thing, Sadhu Sangha. So by the satsang, by the association of the sadhu, all kinds of bondage of the Baddha jivas can be, he will be liberated from all kinds of bondage from by the sadhu sangha. In a very short period, if we do the association with the devotees, so all kinds of the obstacles will be removed and he will get the Bhagwan. Atyantik Mangal, which is the very auspicious thing. So liberated from this world and untied from all the bondage of these material things and getting the Bhagavad Seva. This is Mahaprabhu is showing you that by the satsang it can be happen. So always engage yourself with the devotees. So Mahaprabhu, he is saying that by the sadhu sang, so by the association of a great devotee, the person who was hunting too much and he was always going for prey, but by the association of a great devotee, he got liberated from this world. Mahaprabhu is saying, look, what happened when you associate with the great devotee? What happened? There was a very hunter. What is Vyan? Who always kill the animal. And by the mercy of Narad, he left everything and he started performing bhajan of Bhagwan. Once Narad Rishi, he was wandering So he went to Trivedi that time. So at the Triveni Prayag, after taking the bath in the Ganges, he took the darshan of Bhagwan Narayan.
और फिर
And then
नारद ऋषि
Nada Rishi,
थोड़ा आगे बढ़ने लगे
he marched forward.
तरफ चले गए देखा क्या
He was going towards the forest. So what he saw
वहां
there,
पर देखे बिल्कुल आगे घूमे जंगल में देखा कि
at the forest he saw
दोनों तरफ जो है तो साइड
both sides of the road
साइड में कुछ
some
जंगली पशु जो है
some animals are
तरफ में ये
was so much agonizing there and leaving their body. Some some animals doesn't have their legs, somebody doesn't have their mouth, somebody doesn't have their neck. So all the time on both side of the road he saw so much animals who were so much trembling, and he was like they were in a very deteriorated condition that time. All has their pran in their body, but still they are so much trembling on the road and they are crying there.
ওই ছেলে তো ভাবনা প্রায় পরিধান ওই ছেলে সকালকে দেখে আর কত দূর इस प्रकार नारद ऋषि
So in this way Narad Rishi saw these all things,
ये सब पशु कैसे
that how these all animals are suffering,
और इतने खून की धार
and there are so much blood are flowing on the
और
road.
ये देखा क्या
And what he saw, there is a hunter.
इसका आगे नाम जाकर कहेंगे क्या
So further his name will be
गाड़ी
Mrigari. His name will be Mrigari. Mrigari. Mrigari his name.
और वो गाड़ी कैसे
And how
बड़ी बांध दिया संबर रक्त नेत्र महाभयंकर धनुर्वान हस्ते जनम जम दंडधर बहुत सारे नारद तार निकट चलिलाम नारद देखे मृगस पलाइया केवल रुद्रमिया बैठाई गाली पीते जाए नारद प्रभाव से गाली नहीं आए देखो
look, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is describing there.
और ऐसे विशाल शरीर है विष्णु के
He has so much huge body, and that hunter,
कृष्ण वर्ण लाल लाल आंख
he has reddish eye, black color, and he has a huge body. So he has a arrow and bow on his hand and is standing there.
और जब इस समय नारद जी
When at the time Narad reached there,
और कुछ जो है हिरण
some deers was going from
वो
there.
है हिरण के जो लक्ष्य कर दे
So that hunter was targeting the
वो खड़े
deers that time.
नारद ऋषि
When Narad Rishi reached there, and he saw the Narad Rishi. So seeing the Narad Rishi, all the deers go away from there. So that time that Vyad was so much angry.
नारद ऋषि कैसे
So how Narad Rishi is so great Mahan Bhagavad. So that hunter was so much angry, and he was abusing Narad Rishi. He wanted to abusing Narad Rishi, but what Narad Rishi did,
है अपने प्रभाव से
by his effect, by his power, by his tapoval, he stopped his mouth.
गोसाई प्रेम पर पद छाड़ी कहे आइला तुम्हारी मोर लक्षण बुढ़ो पराइला नारद के पदगुली आइला कुछ दे अनेक संसार है कहा कंडा दे धीरे
So gradually,
शिकारी
that hunter,
क्रोध प्रकट
he was so much angry,
और वो करके बोले
and he was saying that time,
क्या इस तरह क्यों आए
why are you coming here? What is the reason? What was the cause to be here?
या आगे इसलिए
That you have come here, all my praise has run away, ran away from here.
नारद करेंगे मैं किसके आया
Nara said, I came here, I will tell you later why I came here, but I have a doubt in my mind, please tell me. When I came here, when I entered into the forest, so I saw both sides, there are some animals who are just half dead, and they are so much trembling on the road. Somebody doesn't have their legs, somebody doesn't have their neck, somebody doesn't have their ears. Some animals like some all are just lying on the road and they are so much crying that time.
What is सुकर जानी कमान यार कोई नहीं कहा निश्चय बड़े मुझे ऐसे लग रहे हैं
So,
जंतु के पशु के आपने हत्या किया
so it seems me that you all have half killed them. You have killed all of them half killed. Narad is saying, why you have killed them half? Why didn't you kill him fully? Kill them animals fully. So they all are crying that on the road. Why? The well said, the hunter said, look, I have learned this kinds of vidya from my father, that all the wild animals, they can live their life like this, and seeing them in this way I get so much pleasure. Now she's saying, I would like to pray before you one thing. So brother is saying, he is sadhu, what he will ask to me? Maybe he will ask the skin of the deer. In the scriptures it is said, while the performing bhajan sadhan, everybody must have the yogi used to the mraga chal, the skin of the mraga deer. So now she said, I would like to pray before you that the loin skin and the deer skin I don't need. Why do, please, I just pray before you one thing, that please do not kill the animal half. Don't kill in this way. If you want to kill them, so please kill them fully. So now this is saying, look, whom you are killing, they are suffering too much, and you have to suffer in the same way. And if we have suffered somebody in any birth, so in this birth he is teasing us. So there is it's the Newton theories, every action has a equal and opposite reactions. So in this world nobody is your enemy, nobody is your friend. Maybe we have somebody teasing in some birth, that's why we are getting in the same in this birth. So if we are teasing somebody in this birth, so we will suffer in the next birth. Karmana gehno gati. So the gati of the karma is so guna, which we cannot understand. Hey Ramananda, are you understanding? Hey Ramananda, are you hearing something or not? Is it true or not? Because the karma, we are all going by through the karma.
कर्म के फल में सहज में नष्ट नहीं होता है।
So the destruction of the prarabdha is no gone vanish very easily.
बड़ा आलोचना किया।
We have heard the katha of Ajamil little bit.
ये कर्म की जो जड़ जो है
The root of the karma always be with us.
यथा बेलू नवा भी जिस प्रकार उसे बांस की झाड़ में यदि आग लगा दिया जाए
Just like
बांस की झाड़ क्या हो जाए
if you
राख बन जाए
if you burn fire in the dry
और फिर
grass, so what happen? It will be destroyed. But when it will be raining, so again that will be green. So what is my mean to say?
हमारी कर्म जो है
So the karma,
कर्म अनादि काल से
so in the anadi birth is for last infinite words, we are suffering, and we are suffering by the we are getting all the happiness and sorrow according to our karma. In the scriptures, whatever the repentation has been told is described, so it can be destroyed externally, but roots are there. That's why we have to suffer this again and again. But if somebody chant the holy name of Bhagwan once, so all the karmas has been removed of that person by the root, from the roots.
के उपाख्यान के
So that's why in the Shrimad Bhagavatam there is a Ajamulukapian showed.
एक बार
Once somebody chant the holy name of Bhagwan,
एक बार भी भगवान के नाम
once if somebody uttered and pronounced the name of Bhagwan, all the root cause will be destroyed of that person. That's why it is saying.
नारद ऋषि कहे
So Narad is saying,
तुम जो जीव को जो दुख
so
दुख दे रहे हो
you have giving so much suffering to the jeev,
पहले तुम्हें जीव मारो अल्प अपराध क्षमा अदब अदब खुना दिया मारो कृपा अपार दुख कष्ट देकर के ऐसे कष्ट देकर के
so in suffering the animals in this way, so you are killing them.
सारा देश तुम्हारा मन के जन्म जन्मांतर करे करने लगे
He was saying,
जन्मांतर तुम्हारे लिए
birth after birth,
किसी न किसी प्रकार से आए आशीर्वाद नहीं करेगा आशीर्वाद समझते
Hakiwaji,
चले हैं आशीर्वाद ऐसे
Hakiwaji abhi spacing out.
माने तो उससे रिहाई नहीं मिलेगा
Spacing out, so you will not get the
उससे तुम्हारा रिहाई नहीं मिलेगा
you will not get the liberation, you will not get the discount,
जो जीव जो
rebate.
कर्म उसी को करेंगे
So everybody has to suffer their own karma.
आज वो आते रहे ये तो न्यूटन की थ्योरी हमें
So this is the Newton's theory. We have to always remember that every action has a equal and opposite reaction. And this is the Newton's theory. So every action has a reaction, like you have to suffer that in opposite way or in that equal way.
छूटेगा नहीं केवल भगवत नाम आदि के द्वारा
It is possible by the chanting of the Bhagwan name only. It is possible, not by the karma.
इसलिए तो कहा है
That's why it is saying here in the Shrimad Bhagavatam, there is a katha.
दूषित जल के द्वारा गंदे पानी के द्वारा पैर धोने से पैर साफ हो जाते हैं
So if you are washing your feet by the dirty water, it can be clean. No, it cannot be clean.
पवित्र जल के
All you have to clean your feet by the clean water. So if you
और क्या गंदा पानी में आप
something is mud in your feet and you are washing it the dirty water, and if you are washing your feet by the drained water, so it is, and there is so much potty there, and you are washing that your feet with that, so that won't be clean.
गंदे जल के द्वारा आप धोने से पैर साफ हो जाते
So your feet will be clean by the clean water.
हैं पवित्र जल के द्वारा ही आपको साफ इसमें कहते हैं
So that's why it is saying birth after birth. So whatever the sinful activities we are doing,
इसलिए नाराज संगे वेदे मन प्रसन्न होइला धारवात कसुनी मन मने भय उपजिल एक किसी की कथा एकमात्र शुद्ध साधु जो है
Only when the pure devotee can change our life.
एक बार कथा प्रसंग करते हैं।
So in the Katha Prasang, what happened?
भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज
Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj,
विदेश में था
he was preaching in the
और
foreign
उन्होंने
country.
बहुत भारतीय जगह में बहुत भाषण भी दिया
So he gave a lecture in the Western country so much.
और उस सभा में
So at
अनेक
that
प्रकार के
at that
योगी अनेक प्रकार साधु आए
all and that court many people came like Karmi Yogi, Mayabadi, Ramakrishans, and many kinds of people was there assembled. There are many kinds of sadhu came there. There was a Dharma Sabha. In that Sabha,
सभी लोग
many people came there. Everybody presented their views there.
अंत में जो सभापति थे
So at the time of the at least Sabapati,
सभापति के भाषण कब होता है
so when the Sabapati delivered the lecture at the last,
और समस्त कथा को क्या करते हैं
so
इस रूप में
he summarized all the katha in a very short way,
जैसे हमारी
just like our Achyutlal Bhatt in our in our here whenever we assemble any katha, so Achyutlal Bhatt he used to be Sabapati there, like so at last he summarized all everybody's katha that he said this, so he always in a very short way, in a very short way, मेरी phone charge नहीं है. In a very short way they described the katha. So sometimes they in the Roop Sanatan Gaudiya Math or in Keshavji Gaudiya Math he used to come here. So this is the so there are 10-15 speaker was there, so he listened everybody's katha, Sabapati. So he was describing everybody's kathas. So at the time when he was giving the conclusion, all the speaker has spoken, everybody presented their views. So everybody has came in a different societies, like they told about their dharma. But look, so all the speaker whatever they said, they told this foreign katha. They didn't there was nothing new. We are the foreigners, we are from the Western countries, so what the foreigners want, they just need two things. Namaste Saraswate Krishna Peshtai Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedant Swami Niti Nam Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurvani Pracharane Nirvishesh Shunyavad. So he delivered, he liberated the Shunyavad and Nirvishesh or Shunyavad. Nirvisheshvad and the Shunyavad. Who doesn't accept the Bhagwan? Nirvisheshvadi. And he wants so much Bhogvad, so much enjoyment. They are so full of. Bhagwan doesn't accept them. He doesn't accept Bhagwan. Actually, in the Western country, what are their views? They are following the Charvak philosophy. Yavat jivat sukam jive rana kitva gitam pravet bhasmi bhutasya dehasya punragaman kuta. This is the philosophy of Charvak. So much bhogva, so much sense gratifications are there. They doesn't accept the Bhagwan is exist. In fact, they all are Nirvisheshvadi, Sunyavadi, the Bodhavad philosophy they are adopting. So all the speakers said who are coming from the Ramakrishna Mission, Bharat Seva Sunya, and many Advaitvadis. So they are telling our country's katha in a different way, which is called bottle, same wine in a different bottle. Bottle. So that the alcohol was the same, the Madura was same, but label, the glass on the label was different. So they all were talking about Nirvisheshvad, Shunyavad. they explain all these things, Nirvisheshwada, Shunyavad. But when in the Swami Maharaj lecture, he said the speciality in his lecture
जीवन की आगे बढ़ाना है।
that we have to carry forward our life.
भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति में
So according to the Bharat
ये भोगवाद
culture, Indian culture, they have destroyed Nirvisheshwad and the
भगवान की
Bhogwad.
सेवा ही
That Bhagwan Seva is the topmost, is the Param Dharma.
भोगवाद को त्याग करना।
Everybody has to sacrifice the sense enjoyment.
यदि आप देखो
If you see in the Ramakrishna Mission, whatever they are saying,
अंत आगे
at least what
अथवा डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट
direct or indirect way, what are they saying? They are saying
भगवान की शिक्षा
they are not accepting the Bhagwan.
है। और
And
जैसे चाहे ऐसे खाओ।
whatever they want, whatever you want, you can eat. Whatever you want, you can do. So the previous Acharya, Nastik, Poultry Mission, Murgi Mission, the Murgi Mission, they used to take Murgi, so they are doing the Jeev Hinsa. If somebody is killing some animals, so they are doing Jeev Hinsa. Then Swami Maharaj, whatever Swami Maharaj told there, he 15 or 21 or whatever the lecture he delivered that time, he told that we have to carry forward the life. So he has told the essence of the Vedas actually, and how we can change our life. And he already implement all the things in their life, and that changed the life. Everybody shaved off their head. Everybody was vegetarian there. In the foreign country, Western countries, all the peoples are engaging themselves in the four kinds of rules like Dutam Pahanam Striyam Svinam. All are, first is gambling, drinking alcohol, always so illicit sex, and the fourth one is a killing animal, meat eating. What he did, the Swami Maharaj destroy all these things. Swami Maharaj destroyed that, khandan kiya. So Swami Maharaj destroyed this. What he did, so at least the speaker, Vakta, Sabapati. So at the last, so he was so much praising Swami Maharaj at least. He said how he has changed the life of the human. So changing the life of the jivas who are so much engaged in the sense in gratifications, it's not an easy task. So he has changes their life, their heart. It's not an ordinary thing. He has changed everybody's life there. So what's my mean to say, that the Narad Rishi is a Mahan Bhagavat, that whenever he said so what Narad Rishi did that time. So he has manifested some bhavs in that hunter's heart. His heart was changed. This was a Chadkal Sadhu Sangs, a little bit Sadhu Sangs. What is the association of the devotees? In a few of the seconds, our heart will be changed. That is called actually the Sadhu Sangha. That's why here it is saying he was crying. Hunter, the hunter was crying that time. He was thinking, so I have to suffer now because I have committed so many sins in my life. So I have to take so many birth and suffering there in all this one. So there are two kinds of pap, Agyani pap and Gyani pap. Gyan papi and Agyan papi. So who is committing sins knowingly, he is Gyan papi, and who is committing sins unknowingly, that is Agyan papi. So who are the Agyani papi, who who is committing sins unknowingly? So the person who are sleeping, you can wake up them, but who are wake up but they don't want to stand up, so you cannot change them, you cannot wake up them. So what Maharishi did that time? So he was that the Vyad was the hunter was so much papi, but his heart was changed. He was crying. This is called the Sadhu Sangha, who has changed our heart. So the hunter said, Narad Rishi, whatever you say, I will follow your instructions. Narad Rishi said, first you have to broke your this arrow and bow. So hunter said, if I broke my bow and arrow, so this is my livelihood. How can I survive without this? So I am living by just I am killing the animals and taking their skins. So I'm fulfilling all the desires of my families. So how, if I broke this, if I break all these things, so how I will fulfill the responsibility of my family? So so within a few seconds his heart was totally changed. Nara said, so I will arrange all the food stuff for you. So hunter said, he has broke his bow and arrow and put that in the feet of Narad Rishi, and he was crying that time. Narad Rishi said, don't worry, so whatever you have, give all these things to the Brahman. So whatever the committing earning you have which has you earned by the committing sins, you have to give that in a donation form to the Brahmans. So Narad Rishi given the instructions to them, leave everything at the bank of river, make a platform of the Tulsi, establish Tulsi there, and always do the parikrama of the Tulsi and chant the holy name continuously. And I will send you all the food stuff. So Narad Rishi, by the mercy of Narad Rishi, his life was changed, totally changed. So I told you earlier that what sadhu does, they changed our life, as I given the example of Swami Maharaj. So all the foreigners know this. There is a Granth of Swami Prabhupada Lilamrit. Prabhupada Lilamrit, there is a Granth. So this is mentioned in there. It is very shortly. I told you this story very shortly. in the biography of Swami Maharaj, it is mentioned there how he has changed the life of the Westerns.
सबके वैष्णव बना दिए
All everybody has become Vaishnava. Everybody is putting on the tilak. Everybody is wearing the neck beads,
और सबके एकांत की
and everybody has 1.8 Radha Krishna Bhakti. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna. Everybody is worshipping Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Radha Krishna. That's why Gurudev used to say that Swami Maharaj
महाप्रभु की
Parsh.
27
So Swami Maharaj is the Shakta Vesh avatar of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu himself manifested the power in his heart, and he preached how it is possible in a very short time. He has changed all the world.
आज विश्व में ऐसे कोई स्थान नहीं
There
है
is no place in the world
उनकी संस्था
where there is his sanstha. It's not available there. This is the speciality of Swami Maharaj. Swami Maharaj earlier.
अनेक चीजें दे रहे हैं
So before the Swami Maharaj, there are many disciples of Prabhupada went to foreign country, but the preaching of Swami Maharaj is incredible. Everybody are deft of them, deft of him.
आज तक भी जितने भी लोग
Even today,
हैं, देखो साईं महाराज के घाट पे आए।
everybody who is coming from the Swami Maharaj, the disciple succession,
उनकी संस्था के किसी न किसी तरह से टच कुछ लोग तो ऐसे हैं, ठीक है
some people, some
देखे साईं महाराज की जो है प्रचार है एक
Gurudev also preached. But if we see the preaching of Swami Maharaj, I'm not saying that somebody is inferior, somebody is superior, but somebody is, Swami Maharaj is preached worldly very nicely.
दो दिन तो साईं महाराज की
So whenever Gurudev used to go for the preach, so at least 2 days he used to preach about the glories of Swami Maharaj. I have been with him, so I have heard that 2 days at least he used to glorify the Swami Maharaj. Because at the time Swami Maharaj was disappearance, all the disciples of the Swami Maharaj, what we say, somebody gone here and there, somebody has left everything, and he became so much. He must engage himself in the sense gratification. They have cut their shikha, they have thrown out the neck beads. So what Gurudev did when he glorified the Swami Maharaj glories, so all the disciples of Swami Maharaj came to him and take the shelter of Gurudev. Everybody has taken the shelter of Gurudev and worship now one-pointedly.
देखो कितना ही है जीवन में परिवर्तन करते हैं
So Swami Maharaj has changed the life of everybody. I am just finishing up here.
इसी प्रकार
In this way,
देखो नारद ऋषि के कृपा से
by the mercy of Narada Rishi,
क्या हो गया
that hunter became the devotee. He became the Vaishnava. He was performing Nam Sankirtan. Ananasya Chintatamam Yena Paripasate Sham
जगत सेवक
Bahamiham.
भागवत गीता के
This is a shlok of the Bhagavad Gita.
देखो कैसे भजन आते हैं
That how we should perform bhajan and sadhan.
सब प्रकार दान दक्षिणा देते हैं।
Everybody was giving so much charity and donation to him.
आ गया हैं? अब वो क्या करे?
And he was getting so much charity, so much donation. Everybody was giving so much clothes.
भजन सामग्री हैं?
He was getting so much food stuff. So his Gurudev said, give everything to donation and just perform bhajan and sadhan.
इसी प्रकार भजन
In this way, performing bhajan, his heart became pure, his heart was clean, and everywhere he was taking darshan of Bhagwan, he became the Mahabhagavat.
महाभारत बन गए सब में जो है भगवत दर्शन
He was seeing darshan of Bhagwan everywhere. So once Narada Rishi told to Parvati, come and take the darshan of my disciple. So when he see that my Gurudev is coming, so at the time, so when he saw that Gurudev is coming, how should I do perform Dandavat Pranam? So what he saw, there are little bit ants on the earth was moving. So maybe by my body they can be killed. So that's why he was so much carefully that time, and he has so much compassion towards the ants and the animals that time. Earlier he was so much hard and he was killing the animals, and now he has so much compassion towards the ants and jivas, and he was walking slowly and removing that ants by their clothes, and he was doing the Dandavat Pranam that time. So in the Nala she said that the time Nala said, "Oh Parvat Rishi, please listen. My disciple has been changed now." At the time when the Nala Rishi came, so he touches the feet of Nara Rishi and he served him, and then and he served him. So seeing that, Parvashi said to Narashi, so wherever you mercy upon somebody, whenever you mercy of somebody, so he will became the Mahavir. Just like a Sparshmani touches, when it touches to the iron, so it becomes gold. In the same way, you are Mahabhagat. Whenever you touches, when you have a mercy upon someone, so he will become the Mahabhagat. So now she said, "Hey hunter, hey hunter, you would like to get anything else?" So he said, "No, Prabhu. What you are sending me so much things, a lot. So I don't need anything more." So Chetan was saying, "Hey Sanatan, so this is the glorification. This is the glory of the association of sadhu." So when Shri Gurudev preached in the foreign countries, everybody, so much, many devotees was liberated. So why it is possible? How has it happened? It is all because of the association of the sadhus. So somebody is do the satsang association of the devotees, so his life will be changed. But there is one reason or condition here. Vyad. So Vyad was Vaishnava Prad. He was doing so much, committing sins, but he didn't commit Vaishnava Prad any time. That's why his life changed easily. Is it true? So if you have aparad, so by the mercy of Nampu, while chanting the holy name, all the aparad will be destroyed. Because Nam is sadhan and sadhya, both. So if you say that why my heart is not changing, if somebody says that my life is not changing, I'm not getting so much purity in my heart, so what happened? By chanting all this name, gradually everything will be changed by the mercy of Guru and Vaishnava. And at least he will get the Bhagavad Gita or Prem. Vancha kalpana.